If you paint with acrylics, you know how fast your palette dries out. Here's a simple trick to keep your paint usable for days, and you probably already have everything you need. Hi, my name's Jenna, and today I want to share a quick and easy trick with you to keep your acrylic paint palette from drying out. If you ever come back to your palette and found all your paint is dried up and unusable, this little hack can help you save a lot of wasted paint. All you need is your palette, a spray bottle with water, a plastic bag, and a refrigerator. Once you're done painting for the day, lightly mist your palette with a few sprays of water. You don't want to soak it, just enough to add a little moisture. Then place the palette inside a plastic bag and seal it. This helps trap the moisture and prevents the paint from drying out. Now simply place the bagged palette in the refrigerator overnight. The cooler temperature slows down the drying process dramatically. When you take it out the next day, your paints will usually be soft and workable. I've had palettes stay usable anywhere from 3 days to even a week, depending on the paint and how much water you use. This is a great trick if you don't have a wet palette or if you just want a quick way to save paint between painting sessions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more painting tips and art tutorials. Happy painting!